Hello everyone and welcome back to Glossybox UK's YouTube channel. I'm Rebecca Jones and I'm the Senior Social Media Executive here at Glossybox UK, and every single month I film a full unboxing of our monthly boxes and also our limited editions. Now we are in the month of October, so if you have been watching these every month, thank you so much for your support. I love seeing all of your comments, so please always comment, whether it's advice, if it's any feedback for us, whether it's you enjoying or loving the products in the box or just anything. Please comment below, please subscribe, like our videos, and then we're able to bring you more of these every single month. But this unboxing is of our October monthly box. Now, October is personally my favourite time of year. I absolutely love September, October, November, December, especially October, December times with festive seasons, Halloween, Christmas, etc. So October is my very favourite month of the year. And I can honestly say the products, and I know I say this every single month, but I did say at the last month's video, a little sneak peek. I can honestly say the products are fantastic in the October box and very on theme, but I cannot wait to show you and demonstrate the products, because there's actually two products in here I already use personally myself and love and have swore by for many years. So I'm very excited to let you know that they are going to be in this month's box. Now, this month's products are featured in our iconic pink glossy box. 5 beauty products with a mixture of hair care, skincare and makeup, as well as a bit of body care in there, worth an impressive £82. So that's 5 products worth £82. And if you're watching this and you're not yet a subscriber, you can get subscriptions for as little as £12.50. Now, the £12.50 subscription does tie you in for 12 months, which, let's just be honest, what a dream. You get to have 5 beauty products delivered to your door every single month without even the worry of having to order them. Or you have got the 1 month roll-in, which you can cancel at any time if you feel you need to, which hopefully you won't want to, but that's £13.50. We also do upfront ones as well. So this month, October's box will be featured in our iconic pink glossy box, 5 products worth £82. Now let's get into the products. Now, what I'm about to show you is kind of a bit of a routine. So I want you to just really set the scene now. So you've just got in from work. The weather has been crisp. It's been just very beautifully autumnal. The time I'm filming this, the weather's been shocking. The weather is currently shocking here in the UK this September. So I'm hoping when this goes live on the 1st of October that the weather has improved. But currently it's shocking. So we're just going to manifest. We're going to manifest that it's a beautiful autumnal evening. You've been to work. Maybe you've been pumpkin picking. Who knows? Whatever you've been doing that day, you're getting in and you're going to have a little bit of a pamper. So you've had a shower, you've shampooed, you've conditioned your hair, and we're going to go in and towel dry it. Now, once you've towel dried it, you're going to be applying the first product. So let me get ready for it. So my hair is now damp to touch. I've just got out of the shower. So imagine you've shampooed, conditioned, you've towel dried your hair, and now you're going to go in with your first product. Now, the first product is from Rodial. It's their Dream Cocktail, which is Kale infused. This product I have used, I would say, for a good couple of years now. I went on a real hair journey, I would say about 3-4 years ago, to just really take care of my hair. I find my hair doesn't grow very often and it does get quite dry. But since I've been on my hair care journey, it has got much thicker, it does grow quicker, and I can honestly say Colour Wow is one of my favourite hair care brands. I've said this for a very long time and I will always say this because it really is one of my favourite hair care brands. Now, this again is one of my favourite hair care products. Now, the beauty about this product is that the kale in there actually provides sulfur. Now, sulfur is fantastic for really helping to protect the hair itself, alongside amino acids, vitamin B, which again is going to really help to strengthen the hair. Now, our hair does get quite brittle regardless whether you're colour in it, age, lifestyle, medication. A lot of things can affect the way our hair structure is and the way our hair grows. And kale is fantastic for really helping to rebuild on that. Now, this is a leave-in treatment that has been proven to reduce breakage of the hair by 50%, which is pretty incredible, but it's also designed to strengthen the internal bonds within the hair. Now, bonds is what makes up the structure of our hair and our hair type. So it's just there to really help protect those individual bonds within our hair, regardless of what your hair type is, whether it's oily, dry, or a little bit combination, so maybe oily roots, dry ends. This is going to really help with that. Now, the best way to apply this product is, again, after you've shampooed, conditioned, and towel dried your hair. You will then go in and shake the product well to just really help activate the ingredients. And then you want to apply around, I would say around a 20p size amount, but again, it does completely depend on how long or how thick your hair is. Work it in the hands and then just comb it through the hair. Now, you do need to use heat to activate these products. With most Colour Wow products, you do need heat to activate it, such as their Dream Coat. That's another very popular hair product within the Colour Wow brand. But most of them you do need heat to activate. So you're just going to apply this through the entirety of the hair. I work it from around mid-lengths to ends. Again, on towel dried hair. And then you want to go in and blast it with the hairdryer. You do not need to rinse this product out. You'll just go straight in, blast the hair dry, and then style as normal. For the purpose of today's video, I'm not going to be blasting my hair dry. I am going to be sticking it back up. However, you would just go in and dry your hair like you normally would, and you will feel your hair significantly feel softer, smoother, and overall appearance will look healthier. So, very strong start to the lineup of products this month. Now we're going to go into the next step of our wind down pamper evening. So you've applied your hair treatment, you've dried your hair, styled it, you've got on your comfy such as your pajamas or your loungewear, and we're going to go in and treat the skin. Now the next product is from, again, a very incredible, very high-end brand, and it's Rodial. And it's very themed to this month's box, and it's their Dragon's Blood Hyaluronic Acid Mask. As we all know, if you've been subscriber to Glossybox for a while or for a long time, and you also, or maybe you're not a subscriber and you buy our limited editions, you'll be very aware of the brand Rodial by now. It is a beautiful brand with very high-end products. Now, this particular range I love. I find that the actual benefits and the actual effects of the products within this range are quite significantly instant. I do feel like my skin massively sees a difference from the second I apply these products, especially any hyaluronic acid based products from Rodial. Now this mask in particular is fantastic for helping plumping, rehydrating the skin and giving the skin this overall glow. Now the name Dragon's Blood actually comes from tree sap, and tree sap has been known for its skin soothing and anti-inflammatory benefits. So if you're someone that has quite sensitive skin or you suffer from rosacea like I do myself, you'll notice quite a significant difference in the reduction of that after applying this mask. It's also got your hyaluronic acid, something that our skin naturally produces, but throughout time, such as age, medication, lifestyle, the hyaluronic acid production can deplete, which means that the skin can look quite dull, it doesn't look as glowy, and it can feel quite dehydrated. So putting hyaluronic acid back into your routine is really important. It's also got squalane, which again is another fantastic hydrating ingredient if you're wanting to give your skin that overall plumpness. Now, the way you use this mask is actually by applying a thin layer to the complexion, which I will show you shortly. But you can leave this on completely till your skin absorbs it. Now, this is fantastic if you're going on a long haul flight, if you want to use it as a treatment overnight. Just brilliant. Fantastic for anyone that hasn't really got a lot of time and is really wanting to treat the skin. Again, brilliant. So use this at night time preferably. So you'd go in with this on your hair, really dry it, cleanse your skin as normal, then go in and apply a thin layer of the mask. Now, as you can see, it is like a really gel texture. So you don't need a lot of this, and you're just going to smooth it all over the skin. You only need a thin layer of this product. Only a small amount goes a long way. You literally just, it smells lovely. It smells really good. I'm just going to apply this all over the complexion, taking it outwards. And again, you would just leave that then. You can leave it for as little as 10 minutes. However, I would just say leave it on overnight. Allow your skin to really absorb the product. Really allow it to do its thing. And then go in the next day and rinse it off as normal. You would just cleanse the skin like you normally would in the morning and go in with your normal skincare. So I am going to leave this on throughout the duration of this video. One thing I will say, I don't feel any burning sensation. I don't feel any tingling. It feels like I've got nothing on. It feels really refreshing, actually. It feels really cooling, really refreshing, really hydrating. It doesn't make my skin feel tight. Beautiful. Really happy with it. So we've had our shower. We've applied our leave-in treatment. We've dried our hair. We've then gone in with the hyaluronic acid mask from Rodial. We're now getting ready to go to bed. We feel relaxed, we're all pampered, and that's when Gruum's gonna come in. Now, Gruum is a brand that we've used quite frequently within Glossybox, and you've always been massive fans of this brand. However, this product in particular is so lovely for this time of year. Now it's getting darker in the evening, the days are getting shorter. We just find that we're probably more tired, because mentally it is more tiring when you're waking up in the dark and going to getting home in the dark. You want something that's going to really relax you, really help unwind. And that's why the melting sleep butter from Gruum is going to be the perfect third product within the October box. Now, what I love about Gruum is that their products are really just so eco-conscious. The packaging is easily recyclable, and what I love about it is that it does come in a bar. Now, there's multiple ways you can use this. For one, it just smells incredibly calming and soothing. Instantly, it's relaxing just smelling it. It's honestly so nice. So there's 3 ways you can actually use this. The way I'm going to use it is by massaging it into the skin just before you go to bed. You can actually break a piece off and pop it in the bath, and it will turn into an oil texture. So brilliant for giving you that really nice softening skin oil bath, which a lot of us do love. Or if you're not really a bath person, you don't really find you have the time, then you can actually use it in the shower. So again, break a little piece off, really work it into the skin whilst you're in the shower, and it will turn into that oil texture consistency. Now, I'm actually going to show you by directly applying it to the skin as you would just before you'd go to bed. Now, the best place to apply this, I would say, is definitely on the décolleté area, in the shoulders, or anywhere on the body that you really want to help to just soothe. I find if you're watching this and you suffer from restless legs, I get restless legs really badly since having the kids, and I find products like this really help to soothe and calm that down. Massage it into the legs, the feet. It's just an all-round fantastic product. Now, all you would do is directly work it to the skin, because what will happen is the warmth of the skin will just melt that product. It'll just melt the product and turn it into an oil texture. And then you just massage it into the skin. Just really help with that soothing, calming ability. Again, you can apply it onto the shoulders, give yourself a little shoulder massage. You can apply it into the legs if you're wanting to help with restless legs. Or you can use it just for hydrating properties, because it is incredibly hydrating. It's actually got cocoa butter, shea butter, vitamin E, and coconut oil. So again, incredibly nourishing, incredibly hydrating, fantastic to just massage into the skin if you're really wanting to give yourself that proper luxurious pamper. But again, brilliant if you're wanting something to really help induce a really full night relaxing sleep. So the next two products are actually makeup items. So I'm going to go off camera, do my makeup, come back and show you the remaining products of this month's incredible box. So I've gone off camera, I've come back with a full face of makeup, and I'm going to go on to show you the two next products featured in this month's box. Now the first product, I was like, I've not used one of these in so long, and it was actually quite nostalgic for me to use it. So I'm excited to show you that one. And there's also another product in there that I absolutely live for the shade, and we'll go into that in a second. But the first product of the two last products that I'm going to be demonstrating is from Bang Beauty, and it's their Brightening Eyeliner Pencil. So these kinds of pencils have been formulated and created for the purpose of applying it on the waterlines, top and bottom, to give the eyes that more open, wide effect and basically enhance the whiteness in the eyes. So I would say now is the perfect time for that, because I feel like as we've now in like the days are getting shorter, it's darker in the mornings, it's darker in the evenings like I mentioned earlier. I feel like we do get more tired, maybe we do get less sleep, or a bit more unsettled, a bit more unrested. So this is going to be an absolute game changer. Now, all you do with this is, I would always say soften it up first on the back of the hand. And all you do is, I'm going to actually use the mirror featured in last month's box. And all you do is draw right on that waterline. Now, as you can see, instantly it makes this eye look bigger and more open, more awake. I love these types of pencils. I used to be a massive fan of these pencils, and I feel like they kind of went off the radar a little bit, but the difference they make to the appearance of your eyes is pretty incredible. I'm really impressed with that. I think it makes my eyes look wider, more open. It makes the whites of the eyes stand out more. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. And I can actually see myself using that in my makeup routine again moving forward. Now, the last product of this month's box lineup is actually a lip product. And it's from Couture Beauty, and it's their lip butter in shade Iced Coffee, which I love. Now, the name I'm living for, because I love an iced coffee. I'm a big iced coffee gal. So when I heard about this shade, I was like, oh, instantly already love it. When I saw the shade, I loved it even more. It's got this gorgeous, which I'm going to show you, it's like this nude, it's got this gorgeous nude shade. And what I love about it, it's not sticky at all. It is so creamy, it's really glossy, it's really soft on the lips. It's beautiful. In all honesty, I am obsessed with the colour of this. I think it's very on trend for this month. I think it's very autumnal. I think the colour, the shade of it is just perfect. And I do think it's a really nice addition to the lineup of products. I just feel like it's definitely giving just that extra little bit to your makeup look the following day after having your little pamper. I am wearing the Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette as well, featured in the advent calendar, and I think it really complements the colours of that eyeshadow palette too. So yeah, I love, and I'm very happy with this. So that's this month's box. So again, it's coming in our iconic pink glossy box. It features 5 beauty products. So you've got a mixture of hair care, you've got a mixture of skin care, you've got body care, and you've got makeup consisting of an eyeliner and a lip butter. Now again, all of this is worth just short of £82 and can be yours from the 1st of September if you're already a subscriber. So these will be getting delivered to your door from today if you're watching it on the 1st. Hopefully very soon it will be on your doorstep. If you haven't already, if you subscribe to Glossybox, you do get at least £50 worth of products for as little as £12.50 a month, and you also get discounts on our biggest limited editions of the year, such as our advent calendar. Thank you so much for watching as always. If you have any questions, comments, I love reading them all. Please pop them below. Hopefully you enjoy this month's content, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.